meaning are almost every line. All our hands align when your hands are mine. It's like I'm whole again. Isn't that a sign? I should speak my mind.
I've said those words before, but it was a lie. You deserve to hear it 1,000 times. If all it is to say that, why is it so hard to say? If all it is to say that, why am I in my own way? Why do I pull you close and then ask you for space?
If all it is to say that is, why is it so hard to say?
Whoa.
To say